In this guide, I'm going to show you how to reset your G29 steering wheel the easy way. This quick step-by-step process helps clear small glitches, fix calibration issues, and get your wheel feeling smooth and accurate again so you can jump right back into your racing games without any delay. Start by powering everything down. Unplug the USB cable from your PC or console so the wheel is completely shut off. This makes sure the reset starts clean and prevents the wheel from trying to recalibrate while you're working on it. Next, locate the left stick button, often labeled LSB or LSP, on the left side of the wheel. Then find the right stick button, RSB or RSP, on the right side. You'll need both of these buttons during the reset process. Make sure you know exactly where they are so you can press them quickly and firmly. Now press and hold both buttons at the same time. Keep them held down and reconnect the USB cable to your console or PC. Don't let go yet. As soon as the wheel receives power, it should begin turning left and right on its own. This automatic movement is the wheel's built-in calibration routine starting up, which usually means the reset has taken effect. Once you see the wheel moving by itself and completing its rotation cycle, release the buttons. Give it a moment to settle back to the center. At this point, the wheel should be fully recalibrated and operating like normal again. If it still feels off, try restarting the game, checking your in-game steering settings, or switching to a different USB port to ensure the connection is stable. Most issues clear up after this reset, and your G29 should be ready for smooth racing once again.